Beauty Bridge is one of the leading online retailers for all things beauty, skincare, bath and body, fragrance, hair, cosmetics, nail, and personal care products. Hello, my name is Jalia Pettis, and it is 2019, and the first thing we want to do to kick off the new year is talk skin. So I have with me Jacqueline Flores. She is a licensed esthetician and a Dermalogica expert. So we want to talk about 3 different types of skin: oily, combination, and dry. So tell us first what oily skin is.
Oily skin is going to be producing more oil. You're going to be shiny. You'll really feel it.
Okay, so that gloss almost all over the face. All right, so we have some products that we've kind of cocktailed specifically for oily skin. Tell us a little bit about those.
So you're going to be doing a double cleanse, sweeping your house before you mop it.
Okay.
Special cleansing gel is going to foam up really nice and make you feel really clean while keeping you in balance.
Nice.
Then you would go in once or twice a week with an exfoliant, and this one has charcoal in it, which is super detoxifying.
And about how long would you leave that on the skin?
5 to 7 minutes.
Okay.
And then to finish off, you would do something like a multi-active toner to hydrate, and your active moist, which is an oil-free moisturizer to hydrate again.
Okay.
But keep it in balance because you'll produce less oil.
Okay. So one of the misconceptions is that if you have oily skin, you don't have to use moisturizer. So that is incorrect.
It's a big lie.
Yeah. And Active Moist is the product that we want for that.
Yes.
And then of course hydrating the lips.
Yes, you have something like Renewal Lip Complex, which will just hydrate and plump the lips. Very easy.
Okay. So oily skin types, these are the products specifically for you. We have our cleanser, a mask, moisturizer, and toner. And this is specifically for you. You can find all of these products at Dermalogica on Beauty Bridge. So we want to go into the next type of skin, which is going to be combo.
Yes.
Okay, so combo skin, this is me. This is definitely me. So tell us what combination skin is.
Combination skin is most people, actually. It can range from being I'm oily in my T-zone to dry in my cheeks, or oily in my cheeks to dry in my T-zone. It ranges.
It's a combo.
Yes.
It's a combo. So here are the products that you're suggesting specifically for combination skin. Tell us a little bit what we have here.
So for combo skin, you would do just like we did for oily skin with that double cleanse, sweeping your house before you mop it.
Okay.
And then you could go in with an exfoliant, like a chemical exfoliation mask, has lactic, that kind of thing. Then you could hydrate and replenish it with a
multivitamin.
Yes, with a multivitamin mask.
Okay.
And then to kind of seal in your hydration, you could do a vitamin C serum. This will hydrate, brighten, tighten, all that good stuff.
And that's morning, evening,
Both.
either or? Okay.
Both, either
Okay.
or. Then go in with your moisturizer, something like skin smoothing cream, which is going to hydrate without feeling heavy on the skin.
Okay. And then the Hydra Blur Primer.
Yes. Finish it off with your Hydra Blur Primer just to seal it all in. You can put your makeup on over it. You're done.
These are definitely something that you want to take a look at if you have combo skin. I know it seems like a lot of products, but once you really kind of have an expert like Jacqueline kind of walk you through it, it becomes so simple and easy to use. So next up is dry skin. So last up is dry skin. Dry skin, we have these products here. What can you tell us a little bit about them?
So for dry skin, you want to keep exfoliation simple and gentle, a couple times a week. And then you want to hydrate and keep it calmed down.
Okay.
Repair the barrier.
And that's great for really sensitive skin.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, definitely. And then you want to go in with your moisturizer, so something super skin nourishing, something like Intensive Moisture Balance would be great.
Okay.
Then for the eyes, you could do a super hydrating eye serum that you could do morning and nighttime to combat that area as well.
And I love that product. I actually put it on at night right before I go to bed. So.
And then for lips, just something to keep them hydrated as well. You don't want to forget about them, and then it'll plump too.
Okay. So we discussed dry skin, combo skin, oily skin. So Dermalogica has a cocktail of products specifically for any type of skin, although we've talked about 3, so I really appreciate you being here and sharing your insight.
Thank you.
You can purchase any of these products at beautybridge.com, and make sure you tune into our next video. Thank you for watching. Be sure to visit beautybridge.com to learn more about these fabulous products that we featured, and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Beauty Bridge.